Welcome to your Read Aloud video for the Math 2A assessment. So in this area right here, you will not write anything. This is just for your teacher to be able to score your math test. So on number 1, it wants you to find the greatest common factor, or the GCF, for each pair of the numbers. So on A, you're going to find the greatest common factor of 12 and 18. And then for B, you will find the greatest common factor of 48 and 72. So go ahead and pause your video to be able to find those. Then for number 2, you are going to find the least common multiple for each pair of numbers. Okay, so for A, you will find the least common multiple of 5 and 9, and find the least common multiple of 12 and 8. So please pause your video in order to solve those. Okay, then when you flip your paper over, you will see some word problems. So number 3 says that Jane's family divided up their garden so that 2/3 of the garden will have vegetables. Jane and her sister will plant 2/3 of the vegetable portion of the garden. How much of the family garden will Jane and her sister plant? Okay, you will write your answer on this line right here. And then you have room, both right here and right here, to solve the problem. This part right here wants you to write an equation or a number sentence to represent the problem. And it even gave you a helpful hint that says, remember, an equation must contain an equal sign. You have to have some sort of equal sign in your problem. So please go ahead and pause your video to solve that one. Okay. Then number 4, it says Carrie is making 6 costumes for the school play. Each costume requires 1.5 yards of material. How many yards of material should Carrie buy? Again, you are going to write your answer on the line right here, but it also wants you to write an equation, or that number sentence again, to represent the problem. And it says, remember, an equation must contain an equal sign. So you're going to write your equation right here on the line. So go ahead and pause your video so you can solve those problems. The next problem that you will solve is number 5. So number 5, you are just simply solving these division problems. So on A, you're going to do 6/9 divided by 1/3. Then for part B, you're going to do 3/4 divided by 3/6. You will write your answer on the line. Then for part C right here, you're going to do 7/8 divided by 2/16. Again, you'll write your answer on the line right here. Then for part D, or letter D, you're going to do 3 1/8 divided by 5/6. Go ahead and pause your video so that you can solve those problems. For number 6, it says, how much of a snack bar will each person get if 3 people share 1/2 of a snack bar equally. So again, you're going to write your answer on the line right here. And then this one right here, it also wants an equation or that number sentence to represent the problem. And again, it gives you that reminder of an equation must contain an equal sign. So you're going to write your equation right here on this line. And then for number 7, you're going to do 3/4 cup of cereal is 1 serving. How many servings are in 1 cup of cereal? So again, you're going to write your answer on the line right here. And then it also wants that equation again, or that number sentence, to represent the problem. And again, it gives you that reminder that an equation must contain an equal sign. So you're going to write your equation right here on this line. So go ahead and pause your video so that you can solve that problem. And then when you are done, you will give it to your teacher to look over before turning it in.